Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting 5 10-seed keywords that match your goal and audience. Think in terms of intent. Are users asking questions, comparing products, or ready to buy? Once you have that list, add immediate synonyms and common misspellings so you capture natural queries. Make sure to include brand names and conversational phrases people actually type. This gives you a focused starting set to expand with Google tools, and it prevents wasting time on irrelevant terms later. Next, paste one seed keyword into Google and observe autocomplete suggestions. These are real queries users type. Scroll to the bottom and use related searches, and open people also ask boxes to surface question-based phrases. Once done, copy promising variants into a list and test them with quotes for phrase match or brackets for exact match to see how results change. Make sure to note search intent shifts. Informational leads to guides, transactional to product pages. This refines your keyword set for targeting. Finally, test your refined keywords by auditing the top results for relevance and content type. This reveals ranking difficulty and gaps you can fill. Rank and prioritize keywords by search volume, competition level, and how well they match your intent. Once prioritized, create short tests. Optimize one page or ad and monitor clicks and conversions for 2-4 weeks. If you see no traction, troubleshoot by checking intent mismatch, poor metadata, or weak content. Adjust focus and retest until performance improves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.